Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solutions of examples 10th and 12th problems from triangles chapter from NCERT class 10. This is example 10. In figure, angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees and CD is perpendicular to AB. So in triangle ABC, here angle C is 90 degrees, that is given. Angle ACB, this angle is 90 degrees and CD is perpendicular to AB. So CD is perpendicular to AB. So these two angles are 90 degrees. And we have to prove that BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. So BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. We have to prove this. So here BC square, BC is side of this triangle, this ABC, or you can see here there are two triangles. So this triangle also BC is the side. So take these two triangles BDC and triangle ABC. In these two triangles, here this angle is 90 degrees and in BDC this angle is 90 degrees and angle B is common for these two triangles, this big triangle and this triangle. So triangle BDC, if you write in this order 2, 1 and C, so BDC. So triangle BDC is similar to, if you write 2 and 1 is for this triangle, 1 is this angle, angle 1. So 2, 1 and A. So triangle BCA. So triangle BDC is similar to triangle BCA by AA similarity criteria. Once these two triangles are similar, we can equal the corresponding side ratio. So here BC by, see here BC by BA is equal to BD by BC, because we have to find BC square. So take these two sides, here BC is here and here BC is here. So take these two sides and write the corresponding side ratios. Then BC square, if you cross multiply this, then BC square is equal to BA into BD. This is first equation. Next we have to find BC square by AC square. So AC square, AC is side of this triangle, this small triangle and this big triangle ABC. So take these two triangles and here this is 90 degrees in ABC and here this is 90 degrees in ADC, and this is a common angle. Angle A is common angle for these two triangles. So triangle ADC is similar to ADC. If you write in this order, ADC is similar to ACB, A, C and B. So triangle ACB. Once these two triangles are similar, we can write the corresponding side ratios. Here we have to find AC square. So take AC side, AC by AB is equal to AD by AC. Then AC square is equal to AD into AB. This is second equation. From first and second equations, BC square by AC square is equal to BA into BD by AD into AB. Then cancel these two sides, BA or AB. Then BD by AD. So BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. This is example 12th. In figure, if AD is perpendicular to BC, prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. So here we have to prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. So here these two angles are 90 degrees because AD is perpendicular to BC, and we have to prove that AB square plus CD square. So you can use the Pythagoras theorem here. You can see two triangles here. So in triangle ADB, first take this triangle AB square. So this is 90 degrees. So AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Right here, this is first equation. And in triangle ADC, this is 90. So AC square is equal to CD square plus AD square. So right here. And here we have to prove that AB square plus CD square. So AB square is here and CD square. From this you can write CD square is equal to AC square minus AD square. So this is second equation. Then add these two, AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AD square plus AC square minus AD square. Then cancel these two, then you will get BD square plus AC square.